What's up, guys? Another day, another trade. After yesterday's loss, I'm back in the markets, humbled more than anything, ready to follow my rules. And if we don't take a trade, then it's okay. I'm not too worried, and I'll talk more at the end of the video of going forward, what's gonna happen. So we already have market open, but doesn't seem like we have volatility today. That's okay. Let me double check real quick. Yeah. Um, we have 1,000 in drawdown, one trade, but I'm not too worried about that. I'm just focused on taking a good trade. Okay, so we swept C this wick already. Looks like we're going higher. I mean, honestly, if they sweep above this high, that is not a bad long already. And of course, price is not going to be that easy today. It never is. Actually, yesterday it was easy, but I didn't take advantage. And I don't know if you guys saw yesterday's video, but I was saying how I can't wait to see the other trading creators that I watch like take advantage of the opportunities. Almost none of them took advantage, and they all missed out and actually lost money. So after I stopped recording, I saw that and it made me feel a little bit better. But obviously, it's like nothing to be proud of at all. They didn't. It's too good to be true, and you have to take it like that always in trading. Just because you have to follow your rules and things like that, nothing is as simple as it seems. Yesterday is a huge example of that. So we're going lower right now. I have my draws and liquidity marked out. If we go lower, I want us to sweep this draw liquidity, but that's a long way away. Not too crazy, but we'll see this way. That is not see the see that way. I just wanted to sweep the blow actually more than anything. Yeah, I'm not expecting anything, and I don't care if we take anything, honestly. But for sure, I will follow my rules today. Because if I followed my rules yesterday, we would have had a past account, and that's not the case. So I will only follow my account, my rules from now on. Okay, so we swept C for this wick, and we also swept this 5-minute draw liquidity. If we have strong displacement plus retracement plus displacement, I'll be willing to take this. Just because we re-swept this and we have, if we close strong, I'll take this. If we close weak and displace lower, that's okay too. Yeah, so just waiting for retracement right now. We completely disrespected these fair value gaps. Yeah, I'm not gonna mark it out. So now I want to see what happens at this high. This over here. Alright, well, it felt to go higher. So I'm just waiting for us to sweep this low. Or if we close weak like this is a good long right here. Mm, we didn't close too weak. We reach draws liquidity and then we reverse. We have a huge retracement to this place lower. This might be the pattern of the day. You know, we take out the draw liquidity, receive the wick, and then we go up. This might be the huge retracement getting lower. So, I'm waiting for Volatility is a kick in. I feel like not volatility, displacement. I feel like we're struggling. I guess we're waiting for 10 a.m. news or 9:45. I'm gonna pause this because nothing's happening. Alright, right when I paused it, volatility kicked in, kind of, with this candle. And it looks like we're about to sweep this strong liquidity. Um, what I'm looking for right now is a retracement at that drawn liquidity. Never mind. 9:45 now. It seems like we really, really want to go lower. Never mind, I'm not pause it again. Right, after consolidating for, look at this, accumulation zone. We finally broke out of it with one candle. Amazing, finally. I want us to sweep this high. And I know from accumulation zones that we displace towards a certain side once we're over, once we break the accumulation. But yeah, this was a scary accumulation zone. So I'm gonna see this high be broken into. We have 10 a.m. news. I feel like they'll clear it up a little better. And let's see. Yeah, after that high, I have these highs drawn out. Your points. Okay, it looks like we swept this high. I'd like to see retracement plus displacement. And hopefully news kicks in. I don't know. I'd wait for news, but let's see what we do right now. I remember I learned that accumulation zones, once we break out of it, that you could take a loan, you don't have to wait for retracement. Applied today, but not my style of trading. So I can't give in to the 10 a.m. There's gonna be a huge spike, but I can't give in to that yet. I have to be um patient with my trade. We could easily reverse it. I'm gonna wait for candle closure, near candle closure. That was a good long. Look at that, reversing position. Kind of do like this. I want to see what the next candle does. A lot of volatility. The thing is, I could easily take a trade here, but I chose to stay patient. I don't really care. If we retrace like this and displace higher, I'd be willing to take this. Or just displace above this. Make sure I'm paused. I mean, this was a good trade, but we could still take it if we sweep below this high. Okay. Gotta be careful of those. That's scary. I was about to enter. Okay, I'm in a long.
Order filled.
Generating 30 points. And I have 25-point stop loss because that's all that allows. Yeah, that's all I have to say.
Order filled.
I blew my account. Yeah, I blew my account. It's crazy how 2 days can really change the outcome of, like, you know, if I had a 30-point stop loss, this would have worked out really good. But that's all I had in drawdown, you know? It would have stopped me out anyways. There we go. There's the trade. It worked out in my favor again. Maybe if I entered a little bit earlier, still would have been stopped out. Well, barely. So I'm gonna have to buy another account again. And that's all I have to say. I said I was gonna talk at the end of the video and it's gonna be motivational. How I won't give up. I never give up. And I won't give up. But it's really difficult to be optimistic when this is market conditions. This was optimal trade, I'll give it that. I just chose to remain patient, and that costed me today. Thank you, everyone. I'm done.